Possible Finance reports repayment activity to credit bureaus in some cases, but it is not designed as a traditional credit builder like a secured credit card. By the end, you'll know whether it actually helps your credit score, what parts matter most, and when it can accidentally do the opposite of what you want. Start with the key idea. This is not a guaranteed credit building product. That means using it does not automatically improve your credit the same way a credit card or installment loan from a bank is designed to. Now, explain what actually affects credit here. Credit reporting depends on whether your payment activity is reported and how consistently you repay on time. If payments are reported and made on schedule, that activity can contribute to your credit history over time. If payments are late or missed, that same reporting can hurt your credit instead. Now break down the main limitation. The biggest issue is that short-term loans like this are not always weighted the same as traditional credit accounts in credit scoring models. That means even when they are reported, the impact may be smaller compared to long-term accounts like credit cards or auto loans. Now, explain the real user expectation, gap data. A lot of people expect fast credit score jumps from using apps like this. That usually doesn't happen because credit scores are built on long-term payment history, not short borrowing cycles. Now talk about what actually works better. Credit builder products like secured credit cards or credit builder loans are designed specifically to create structured, predictable reporting over time. Those products are usually more consistent for improving credit history. Now, explain when Possible Finance can still help. If you already have no credit history or very limited credit files, any consistent, on-time reported activity can add some data points to your credit profile. That can help establish a starting footprint, even if it is small. Now talk about the risk side. The risk is using it repeatedly and struggling with repayment, because missed payments can negatively affect your credit instead of helping it. That makes consistency more important than frequency. Now, here's the simple breakdown. Possible Finance can contribute to credit history if payments are reported and made on time. It is not a strong or reliable primary credit building tool compared to traditional credit products. Quick recap. It may add limited credit activity. It depends heavily on on-time payments. And it is not as effective as dedicated credit building tools. Next step is simple. If your main goal is improving credit, compare secured credit cards or credit builder loans first before relying on short-term loan apps. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of financial apps and credit tools without the confusion.